Hey, this is David with JCB Academy USA. Today we're going to talk about a couple of converters we have here and let you know what the identifying numbers are. Here we have a Honda Sonata 2006. This is identifying numbers right here, 2G310. You can enter that into the app system, Eco app, and it'll pull up the price point for that particular year, make, model vehicle. And this is the rear. And here we have a aftermarket catalytic converter that you see the numbers here. You can tell they're identifying numbers, but they're not the ones for this particular converter. And the edges on the converters as well. And here we have a Saab 9.5, 2001. This is one converter here. You have your identifying numbers here. You hear it says Saab, and it's 4895417. You know, made in Germany, of course. You can tell the original. The edges. It actually comes with a 3-piece set. One was on the manifold. 2 is at the belly of the bottom of the vehicle. And here we have a Ford Mustang vehicle, Ford Motor Company. And here we have the identifying numbers right here as well. And you see the FOMOCO, that's Ford Motor Company. SATCAT there. And here we have a Honda Accord 2008. Identifying numbers. This came off the manifold of the vehicle. And here's 3 ridges, and you can identify the numbers as well. Sometimes when you enter Honda into the app and put the Honda, and it'll pull up the numbers for you as well. Right now, rhodium is at an all-time high of $20,000 an ounce. Definitely want to get in on this opportunity at Junk Car Buyer Academy USA. This is David signing off.